Okay, I'm going to go through how to find the height of a cone if we have the volume and the radius. So, we remember our equation is V equals 1/3 pi r squared h. We have the volume now, that's 956, and that's equal to 1/3 pi. The radius we also have is 9, so when we substitute that in, we always put parentheses in, 9 squared h. Now we're basically just trying to isolate h and get it by itself. So following PEMDAS, 9 squared is 81. And because the 1/3, the pi, and the 9 squared are all getting multiplied, we can do the commutative property and we can choose which ones we want to multiply first. We'll get the same thing anyway. So we're going to do the 1/3 times 9 squared. 9 squared is 81. A third of 81 is 27. So this is 956 equals 1/3 20. Oh wait, no, the 1/3's gone, sorry. So erase that. Pi times 27 times the height. So pi times 27 is 3.14 times 27, which is 84.78. So 956 equals 84.78H. Divide both sides by 84.78. And we get the height is equal to 11.2. And it says to round to the nearest hundredth, so this would be 11.28.